Storage car. What's more knots? Nutties. Storage cutout. I had to delete a lot of stuff. I'm gonna go pick up that poo. Oh look, it's Crow. Hello you. Do you want some nuts? Yeah. We like nuts. Some nuts, Crow. Crow got a nut? Yeah, Crow's got a nut. They've all got nuts. There's a baby there. Yeah, Crows are getting up. They're all getting up. Speaking while you're speaking. Speaking while you're speaking, there's a new one. Oh no, they're all flying in. Chaos. That's it, all the nuts are gone for now. Tools. Here they are. Couple of bouncers. A load of them up there. Right, I'm going to stop footage there, everyone, because I need to pick up that poo. See you all later. Tools.